Are you trying to buy real estate in any market in the US? Maybe you're confused with all the things that's going on in the economy and you don't know how you can buy real estate or what are the ways you can buy. By the end of this video, you'll know the 3 ways you can buy real estate and how myself and a client of mine are buying real estate. Hey everybody, Mr. Legacy Builder here for More TV and the Waymakers Company. Thanks for taking the time out to check out the video and learn about the 3 ways to buy real estate. So look, gotta get ready to go out to the gym, so I'm gonna make this quick. No matter where you are in the US, there's really only 3 ways you can buy real estate. Whether it's Maryland or Georgia or Miami, no matter how high the real estate is, no matter how bad the real estate is, there's really only 3 ways. Number 1 is cash. Cash is king, so you know you can buy real estate using cash. Get the property, meet up with the person, go to the closing attorney or the title company, give them the cash, cashier's check or credit card, whatever the case may be, any form of cash you use, and boom, you're done. Real estate bought. Number 2, second way you can buy real estate is on terms. Most of the videos that you see about people buying real estate, whether it's fire damage, for sale by owner, or any of those types of things, upside down real estate, pre-foreclosure, things of that sort, and much, much more. Those ways require, of course, cash, but a lot of the second way, which is terms. You can buy real estate on terms. That's a creative way of buying real estate using paper, notes, and things of that nature. But this video is not about that, so we're just gonna keep it simple. So terms. Number 3 is credit. Credit is very important. Outside of cash being king, credit is the new cash. With the inflation going on and the dollar values steadily declining, having good credit is vital. Hope this helps you guys. Remember, cash, terms, and credit are the only 3 ways you can pretty much buy real estate, regardless of the state that you're in the US, and in any market. That means any city, any county. Those are the 3 ways. Again, this is Terrence, Mr. Legacy Builder here for More TV. Thanks for tuning in. Also, if you're looking for any type of help or anything, be sure to look inside the descriptions below to seek any type of advice, help, strategies, or anything like that. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Look forward to helping you guys and adding more value.